currently pet sitting, and look at this cat. This is Elvis. I'm starting this early, the night before, actually, because I'm going on a walk, but I'm going on a 6:30 a.m. walk. And before that, I'm gonna start my morning with yoga. I've been motivated by the neighbor. We're gonna go together. So, I don't know, I haven't woken up before 7 a.m. in a really long time. I feel like this is a big deal. So, I'll see if it improves my energy throughout the day or something. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. Say goodnight, devil. Hi, everyone. 5:15. I'm gonna get up now. I woke up and I can't find the other half of my retainer. The bottom half disappeared in the night. Which doesn't make sense. Anyway, I'm just washing my face. I think I'm gonna make some tea. I just have to figure out where everything is. Okay. Part 1 is done. Now let's see if she has tea. I think we'll do cold brew instead. I think I'm gonna do this 40-minute yoga workout. And we'll see how I feel. I feel like this is gonna be a problem.
Just a little bit, and we're gonna sit down into a deep squat, nice and slow. Handstand. Take your hands and push over to the opposite side. Breathing through everything.
It hurts so bad.
2, 1, crisscross.
I just realized this was a giant tortilla. Cam's gonna be here in a couple minutes, so I think I'm just gonna wear this on the walk. I hope she doesn't want to run, because that yoga workout, oh my god. You'll never guess what I just found. My retainer. Well, I guess I'll go on that walk by myself. Goodbye. I'll see you in a minute. So, today isn't going as planned. But I think the sun rises at 6:50 and it's 6:37. I feel like this is about to be fun either way. Which is good. I scare you. I'm gonna put this on my wall. Okay, it's been a little bit. I got some ingredients to make this baked oatmeal. I have a test at 9. Hopefully I can finish this before 9 o'clock because I'm starving. It's so good. It's so good. I'm in the middle of taking this computer science test. It's, I don't really know how it's going, if I'm being honest. Oh my gosh. Okay. I just got out of class. I drove. And I got a $50 ticket for parking where I wasn't supposed to. So, if you feel like you should take the risk, don't do it. Don't do it. Hi. Oh. It's about 12:30, and I think I'm gonna go out in this courtyard over here and study for a little bit and shop for my Halloween costume. I'm not gonna say what I'm gonna be, but I do have an idea, and I think it'll be pretty good. And also, she has these bananas. They're on the verge of being moldy. And I don't see any flour here or anything, but I think I'm gonna try to make some banana bread, and then by the time she gets back, it'll be all ready for her, because this is concerning. So yeah, I'm gonna go change into shorts, and we'll go to the courtyard. Got some cigarette butts with a side of salad. Come back here, stop it. I knew this was gonna happen. I'm back in my room. I'm gonna hang up my leaf real quick. A few people were asking about this door, actually. So, my room has 2 doors. This is the one that I always use, and then this is the one that I sleep next to. It actually has no purpose. You can't get in through it unless I undo that latch right there, probably. But it doesn't have a knob on the other side, so it's really a useless door. I can just hear everyone outside of it, which isn't great when I'm trying to sleep. And now I just know a lot more about people's lives than I want to. So while I'm here, my friend actually sent me a package for my birthday, which was in August. And, you know, it's almost November, but better late than never. Oh, I could cry. I'm just grabbing flour. Once I study for a little bit, I think we're gonna whip up some vegan banana bread. So, I'll see you later. It's muffin time. I'm preheating my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna start out with, I guess I'll do wet first. I'm scared. Oh no, they're okay. The good part about ripe bananas is they're very sweet. So this might actually work out for the better. And I think I'm gonna brown some of this Earth Balance butter because I have coconut sugar, and browned butter banana muffins sound really good. So I'm gonna put this on medium low and just scoop maybe a tablespoon of butter in there. All right, it's gonna brown pretty soon, so I'm gonna add some coconut sugar. And I'm also gonna add a little bit of oat milk. After maybe a minute or two, it'll thicken up a little bit. Okay, now I'm just gonna take this and dump it into the mashed banana. And I'm gonna start adding some cinnamon. Maybe vanilla if she has it. I'm also gonna add a little bit of salt. I don't know why baking recipes call for salt, honestly, but I know most of them do, so just a little bit of sea salt. Looks like this. It smells really good. So I was thinking about making these gluten-free, but I only have oatmeal. I don't have oat flour, and I'm pretty sure she doesn't have a blender. So I'm just gonna do some oats in there to make it seem, you know, I don't know, healthy, I guess. I feel like these are pretty healthy muffins already, but I might as well add some oatmeal. And then I'm just gonna go in with maybe a half a cup of flour and see where that gets me. This actually looks pretty good. The last thing I'm gonna add is a little bit of baking powder, and I don't have a spoon, so I'm just gonna kind of tap some off. I found vanilla. I'm gonna add a little bit of that in there too. Oh, do you want to try this, Elvis? So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this in each little crevice, and we'll see how they taste. I'm gonna make some more real quick. I just finished making the rest. I'm gonna add a little bit of this coconut sugar on top of each one. And then I'm gonna stick this in the oven for 15 minutes, I guess. And we'll see what happens. I have no idea how they're gonna turn out. All right, let's check on the muffins. Oh, they might be done. So they didn't puff up much, but they're really cute. I feel like anything baked and fallish is always good fresh out of the oven. It's so perfect. I think I'm gonna go to bed soon. It's my last night with the cat, which is sad. I think we have a special bond. Bye. I'll miss you. Please don't run away again. Bye, Elvis. No, no. Oh my God. Stop it. I'm on my way back to my dorm, which is actually really sad. I'm gonna miss Elvis a lot, even though he gives me hives. Living in that apartment for 2 days made me kind of realize what it would be like to live alone. And for a long time, I didn't think that I'd like it. I've always liked the idea of roommates. But I actually really enjoyed my own space. So, I don't know. I think it gives me an idea for the future. I think I could definitely live alone. I'm back. I wanted to end with a suggestion. I think if you have the chance, just wake up at 5 and see how it makes you feel. Because it was really interesting getting an earlier start to my day. I feel like I got a lot more done just with that little bit of time. So maybe I'll start working that into my routine more. Just waking up earlier, maybe a couple times a week. I woke up at 8 today, so nothing changed there, but I think it was a fun experiment. Anyway, it's a new day. It's actually a pretty busy one. I have a lot of class, so I'm gonna get to work and I'll see you next time.